Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine in your home. I am Mamta ma'am, your science teacher from Genius Public Inter College Jhalwa. In this video, we will learn first chapter and the chapter name is Sources of Food. Student, you know what is the meaning of this chapter? No? Okay, I tell. Food from where we get the meaning of this chapter. We all eat food every day, right? Some food we eat raw, some are cooked, some are mixture of varied ingredients. Have you ever thought where all this come from? Come, let us find out. Before we find out where the food comes from, let us briefly understand what is food. Food is any substance that is used as a source of nourishment by an organism. All living organisms need food, not only human beings, but even animals, plants also need food. We cannot live without food for more than a few days. Now, sometimes when we fall down while playing and get hurt, skin come back in a few days. Have you ever wondered how this happened? This is because of nourishment obtained that we food eat. So, importance of food is it provide energy to do work just like running, playing, walking, every activities. It helps in the growth of our body. It helps in healing injuries and protect our body from the diseases. It also keep our body warm. So food is the most important for all living organisms. In this chapter, most important topic is sources of food. We eat different kinds of food. Food taken in breakfast is different from the food taken in lunch or dinner. Food taken in North India is different from the South India. In North India, people likes chapatis, but in South India, people likes idli, dosa. Food habits differ according to the place and seasons. Examples: in summer, we eat mangoes. In winter, we like strawberries, we eat strawberries. What is producer? We get food from both plants and animals. Producer, green plant is a producer because it is make their own food with the help of sunlight. Example is trees, flowers, plants. Consumer, human beings and animals are consumer because they are not making their own food. They are depend on plants directly, yeah, indirectly. So they are called consumer. Food from plants. Green plants prepare their own food with the help of light, carbon dioxide from air, water, and chlorophyll. They prepare more food than they need. So extra food is stored in different parts of the plant, and that parts of the plant we eat. Roots. Some plants roots we eat just like potatoes, carrot, radish. Some stems we eat ginger, sweet potato, sugar cane. Some leaves spinach, lettuce, cabbage. Some flowers cauliflower, broccoli, banana. Some fruits just like mango, orange, tomato, brinjal. Now deeply we study first the roots. Root in some plant store food. This food laden roots get modified. Examples are carrot, radish, turnips, potatoes, sweet potatoes, beetroot, etc. Stem. Some plants store food in their stem. In some plants, the food laden stems get swollen and modified into different shapes. We call this stem as underground modified stem. Examples: potatoes, ginger, and turmeric are underground modified stems. Next is leaves. Leaves are widely used as a part of our food. Leaves from lettuce are eaten as salad. Cabbage, spinach, and mustard leaves are used as vegetables. Flowers. Flowers from certain plants like cauliflower, broccoli, banana are used as vegetable. Sweet smelling soft and rosy petals from rose are used for preparing jam, which is taken as a mouth freshener and also as a medicine. Fruits. Fruits are a big source of food. Student, you know, many plants store food in their fruits. Fruits are eaten raw. Fruits eaten as a food are mango, orange, grapes, banana, papaya, melon, apple, guava, apricots. Some fruits are used in preparing jam. Some fruits such as tomato, brinjal, cucumber, pumpkin, ladyfingers, beans, and chilies are actually fruits from respective plant and they are cooked as vegetable. Cucumber is eaten raw as a part of salad. Next is seed. Seed Seeds are a rich source of food for man, animals, and birds. Seeds used as food are cereals, pulses, and oil yielding seeds. What is cereals? Cereals, wheat, rice, barley, oat are some of the grain which are rich source of flour used for making and baking of loaves and bread. Here are some picture you see and you understand what is grain, what is rice. You know we eat rice daily. Next is pulses. A pulse is the broken half of bean seeds such as pea, black gram, soya. Edible oil. Some seed yield edible oil which is part of our food. Oil is used as a cooking medium. Edible oil is extracted from the seed of mustard, soya, groundnut, coconut, safflower, sunflower, and some other seeds. Now we know food from animals. Next source of the food is animals. Animals are a good source of food for man and other animals. Our food comes from animals' products like milk, egg, meat, chicken, fish, and honey. Milk Milk comes from goat, cow, buffaloes. Milk is a complete food. I know it is a rich protein and calcium. Milk is a good source of butter, cheese, curd, khoya, and ghee also. Egg. Egg being used as food come from birds like hen, goose, turkey, and duck. Duck. Egg is rich in proteins and vitamins also. Meat. Edible animal flesh eaten as food is meat. Meat comes from goat, sheep, bird, fish, and wild animals. Honey. From where we get honey? We get from honeycomb. Honeycomb. Honey comes from the honeycomb. Honeybees visit flower and collect sweet sugary nectar from the base of the flower and store it in their honeycomb. Honey is rich in easily digestible sugars and other useful substances. Most important is eating habits of animals. All animals eat food. Different animals eat different kinds of foods. Some animals eat only grass and leaves, some eat only flesh from other animals, and some eat both the plants and the flesh. On the basis of their food habit, animals are grouped as herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Let us study about it. First is herbivorous. Herbivorous are the animals which eat only grass, leaves, seed, fruits, and other plant products. They depend only on the plants. Example is cow, buffaloes, horse, zebra, giraffe, etc. Carnivorous animals. Carnivores eat flesh of other animals. Animals like lion, tiger, wolf, frog, spider, alligator, vulture are the carnivorous animal. They only eat flesh of other animals. Omnivorous. Omnivorous eat both plants and the animals. Man and some animals, that is fox, dog, cat, hen, ant, crow, and sparrow are omnivorous. Student, chapter is finished. I hope you understand this chapter. If any problem, you give me comment in comment box. Okay, bye bye student.